And Saturn is the front. Christ is the system. Come to our bar.
एक तीन एक तीन एक गार्ड आउट शस एक दो तीन एक लमन श्री महोदया गार्ड आपका निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदानस्सदवन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनो
श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः।
देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीपति
नाम विद्रे वदो
श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः।
शिवो नाम रूपाभ्यां या देवी सर्वमङ्गल सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते।
शिवसमाक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः
बृहस्पतिर्ददातु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम नमः सतसे नमः सत्याः सहस्रः तानेन्द्रियावतः कुरु सर्वमयोपासः ओम ब्रह्मदेवाः पवित्रमध्ये दिने ध्रुवं परवीर्य स्थानो मुञ्चन्त्वविद्वमसः त्रयोगेश्वर कृष्णनेत्रमातो धनुर्धरः सकल कल्याणं भाजनं मित्रजायते पुरुषस्तमजं नित्यं व्रजामि शरणं मयो सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु।
One junior civil judge cum judicial magistrate of first class court is functioning at Medpalli. One of junior civil judge cum judicial magistrate of first class court is functioning at Dharmapuri town, which was recently inaugurated by retired Justice Sri Challa Kodandaramu Garu, Milord. Trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial is inaugurated by the Honorable Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of the State of Telangana. Thanks to Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana for his endeavor efforts in establishing the fast track special sessions court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial on this auspicious occasion, Milord. Thanks to Dr. Justice Shami Makhtar, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District for sanctioning this court and its inauguration by accepting our invitation, Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District on this auspicious occasion, Milord. The existing library building is a great boon out of the endeavor efforts of Sri Kasuganti Lakshman Kumar Vakil Garu, an advocate, fraternity member of the Bar Council of the State of Telangana, got elected by the court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial, along with the premises temporarily for functioning of the POCSO court at Jagtial. In general, to get the justice at their doorsteps expeditiously with least cost below. The Bar Association Jagtial is thankful to Honorable Chief Justice of High Court
to inaugurate the POCSO court and also Bar Association building.
Yes, sir. Mr. Lakshman Kumar Garu, will kindly address.
Now I request Sri K. Lakshman Kumar Garu, Member Bar Council of Telangana.
Like virtual environment, actually virtual environment will go on. And lot of the things, then we will go ahead with the.
Yes. Now it's time to recommend book support. Now I request
Fine. Yes, sir. Mr. Lakshman Kumar Garu, will kindly address.
Thank you, sir. It's a very good note today. We have the fast track court opening, and our portfolio judge, Dr. Shamim Akhtar, when he has taken charge after COVID, we got all the courts opening in this district, sir. I am grateful to you, sir, on behalf of advocate community. I thank you very much, sir, for taking initiative for opening of the courts. I also thank Sri Justice Pungoti Naveen Rao Garu, who has sanctioned so many courts to this district, and we advocates request you to continue same support to the advocate community of the Karimnagar district. Sir, this Karimnagar district is 13 bar associations, one of the biggest district in Telangana, and we have more than 2,200 advocates practicing, sir. They are very senior good advocates, and the bench and bar relation is very good. And I once again thank on behalf of the advocate community, Honorable Justice Naveen Rao Garu and Dr. Shamim Akhtar Garu, Justice of the Honorable of Telangana High Court. And coming to the Bar Council activities, the Bar Council, the young advocates have become members of the Bar Council Welfare Fund, where you can get benefits. Any financial assistance you can apply, the Bar Council is with you. But there should be no disciplinary complaints against you, because that will be, action will be taken against you, because it's a small state. There are so many committees which are formed. You have to respect the court, you have to maintain the decorum of the court, and we are part of judiciary, we have to cooperate to dispose the cases. I thank all the advocates for giving me opportunity to serve you. I thank the respected collector for being present among the advocates. Thank you, sir.
A very good morning to all of you. We are privileged to have the inauguration of the Fast Track Special Court for Expeditious Trial and Disposal of Rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagitial being inaugurated today virtually along with the Bar Association building. We are very much thankful to the Government of Telangana as well as Honorable Justice who have been kind enough to grace this function virtually. And special thanks to Sri Lakshman Kumar Garu and his family for constructing a building worth 1.2 crores and giving it to the Bar Association. With this court, the litigant people of Jagitiala district would be benefited, since the rape and POCSO cases would be disposed as expeditiously as possible. So all the litigant people would be making use of this. Thank you very much for this, sir. The district administration is always supportive to the association as well as judicial officers at Jagitial, and we will be continuing the same. We have handed over the additional land of almost 27 kuntas for the parking, because the existing court building didn't have a parking space, sufficient parking space, so we have handed over the land for it. We have also identified land to an extent of 10 acres, 12 kuntas in Darul camp as per the request of High Court of Telangana, as well as special request and instructions of Honorable Justice Naveen Rao Garu. We have identified the land and we have requested the government for giving permission for the advance position of the same, and we will be handing over the advance position as expeditiously as possible, sir. And thank you for inviting me to this function and also making me involved in this.
Right. Very good morning to all and all. I congratulate all stakeholders, particularly government family who donated huge amount and constructed this beautiful building. Where we can I would like to say a few words in relation to POCSO Act. This POCSO Act is enacted for efficient billing the heinous crimes of sexual abuse and sexual exploitation of children. It's a comprehensive legislation. It provides protection to children from the offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography. It safeguards the interests of the child victim at every stage of the process by incorporating child-friendly mechanisms for reporting, investigation, recording of evidence, and pre-trial of offences through special force.
The Lordship for thoughtful message and also enlightening us on the important aspects of POCSO.
Last and the most important thing, we get a strength command and by part on the distinct person. We take to be part of this important event and also in honor my kind government of that is in in asking me to inaugurate the POCSO court as and your for the improvement of the trust of the my brother of the civil market. Within a short period, we could activate various aspects of the administration. And I think this is the good work on the lots of inauguration within a short time. With limited knowledge of the India account, I know there are many more communities who are largely.
Your Lordship for your valuable message and timely guidance, suggestions, and also being the backbone for establishment of POCSO courts and infrastructure.
To all the dignitaries on this August occasion on behalf of Karimnagar District Unit, my Lord, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed today's chief guest, Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Sri P. Navin Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana. Your Lordship, for having taken time of your many responsibilities to join us here today and to share this occasion with us, and indeed for having inaugurated POCSO court at Jagitial and valuable thoughts sharing with us on this occasion. We are deeply grateful to Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Dr. Shabir Makhtar Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District, for gracing this occasion with Your Lordship esteemed august presence and enlightening the act to all of us and with a thoughtful message, my Lord. I take this opportunity to express my deep gratitude to our Principal District and Session Judge Madam Srimati M.J. Pradarshini Garu for the initiative she took in holding this function and also for guidance to us in all our activities, ensure that we always do the right thing in the right way. Lastly, my thanks are due to my colleague officers and staff of e-courts, court staff who have worked with great dedication to make this program a success. I also express my thanks to print and electronic media for covering this program. Once again, I thank my Lord and also to all the participants. Thank you, my Lord.
Vinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mage Gare
జగిత్యాల పక్షాన ఒక చిరు సన్మానం.
రావడానికి కారణం
మా బిల్డింగ్
So a big applause. You have taken all the interest to inaugurate this meeting. We are grateful to the Honorable District Judge for track court, and you have always visited our court premises, sir. Thank you. You also invite Sanjay Kumar, member of Legislative Assembly.
మా లోకల్ కౌన్సిలర్ గారు మా బార్ మెంబర్ జయశ్రీ గారిని మా లక్ష్మణ్ కుమార్ గారిని పైన బార్ అసోసియేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యం సన్మానం చేయాలని నిర్ణయించినాం కాబట్టి దయచేసి మీరు ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ వెయిట్ చేసి